Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking with Resh. Today we are making Shemai, or in other words, vermicelli porridge. The reason I'm showing you this is because it is super simple and easy to make, and it requires no effort at all, and you can do it in less than 10 minutes. People make it in different ways, but I find that this method is the easiest method and you won't mess up with this. So make it. You need milk. It can be any milk you like. I like almond milk, that's why I chose that. You need vermicellies, you need ghee, you need cinnamon stick and cardamoms, and you also need raisins. Don't forget, you also need sugar. Firstly, heat 1 litre of milk in a pan. You know what, it's better to move that to another pan so we can have a stove free for us to cook our vermicelli. Next, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and then add in your 4 cardamoms and your cinnamon stick. Make sure to break the vermicellis before you add it into the pan, because if you try to break it in the pan, it's just going to burn because it's going to start cooking. Be careful here because a lot of people make the mistake of not stirring it enough. Make sure to keep on stirring it because vermicelli burns really quick. When the vermicelli is golden brown, slowly add in the hot milk and then the sugar, and then the rest is optional. I know it looks like a lot of sugar, but this is a sweet dish and sugar and spice makes everything nice. If you want it sweeter, add more sugar. I like to just add sultanas instead. I love vermicelli because it's so easy to make, and don't worry if you get it wrong the first time, because I know that a lot of people burn it the first time. Don't worry, just try again because practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be making it with no problem at all. I hope you enjoyed this because everyone loves it, even kids love it, so give it a try and let me know what you think. And if you really like this or have any ideas of other desserts I could make, just let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe.